Welcome to the YCB9ZF Smart Circuit Breaker Installation, Commissioning, and Operation Video Guide. Before starting, disconnect the power and wear insulated gloves and protective goggles. We'll need the following tools: wire strippers, crimping pliers, wires that meet the required specifications, terminals, an electric screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a multimeter. Before installation, carefully read the manual and verify that the contactor parameters and requirements meet the preset operating conditions. Select an appropriate mounting location. Installation tips: align the lower end of the circuit breaker with the bottom edge of the DIN rail. Then gently press the upper end to ensure it locks securely into the rail. To remove the smart circuit breaker, use a screwdriver to release the lower latch. Lift the upper part of the breaker, then remove it. Before starting wiring, select wires with appropriate cross sections according to the rated current of the product. Use a wire stripper to carefully remove 11-13 mm of insulation from the copper conductor to expose the proper length. Then use a crimping tool to firmly crimp the terminals, ensuring a reliable connection. Finally, it is recommended to tighten the wiring with an electric screwdriver, set to the specified torque value to ensure stable and safe connections. Follow the manual or product label to correctly connect the line side and load side. Line side, connect to the power supply. Load side, connect to the load circuit. During wiring, always comply with local electrical regulations and standards. Before testing, connect the device to the Tuya app, download and install the Tuya app. Register and log in after installation. Set the smart circuit breaker to Wi-Fi pairing mode. Add the device and connect it to your Wi-Fi network. Connection successful. For more information, visit console.com or get in touch with us on social media.